Hallo! In today's video I want to show you what we are harvesting during the month of July, which is our subtropical winter here in Queensland, Australia, on the beautiful Fraser Coast. So hope you enjoy. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to my video yet and to my YouTube channel yet and you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, the bell, so you get notified about the upcoming videos. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the annual garden today. So we are harvesting lots of carrots all the time, and I'm only covering my garden beds with the net because of the cheeky guinea fowls which are visiting me here in the food forest, especially when I'm not here, and trying to get my veggies here. So even though we don't have any bugs that are annoying me at the moment, I still have to cover the garden beds, the veggies with the net, but I don't mind. Most important, we get to harvest all the stuff. So here my mini cabbages, even though they called mini, one cabbage is about 1 kilo or even more, so I still have 3-4 to harvest. Good stuff. This one is a bit damaged, but it's fine too. And I have the last wombok in here. And then after harvesting these, in a few days time I will have next garden bed, which will be ready for something else. When I make it ready and I prepare it again. So harvesting my champion pumpkins all the time. So these are not ready for harvest. I just recently sown some radishes and some new cabbages, but I'm harvesting the beautiful celadon, the white eggplant. Oh, come on, baby. These are the best eggplants, a must-have for anyone who enjoys eggplants. They are not bitter, their skin is super tiny. This plant is already 3 years old and having fruit and flowers all year round here in the subtropics. Surviving our winters, which are getting cold at times, up to minus 0.9 we had the lowest. So yeah, here not harvesting. This is my cauliflower and little baby beetroots. Then here the cabbages are calling. The cabbages here are also getting ready. Let's have a quick sneak peek. So they already good in size, so I can start my sauerkraut production very soon. If you want a simple and good sauerkraut recipe, go to my website. You will find it in there. So yeah, nothing more exciting. More little cabbages here. Let's move on. Here the last of our mandarins. We have 2 left. And this mandarin is crying for pruning. So lately I'm doing lots of pruning. Oh, I have 2 more mandarins in there. How cool is this? So yeah, doing lots and lots of cleaning in the food forest. This will be the topic of my next video. I will show you how pretty it is when I'm finished. Not ready yet. Look at the poor baby bananas. This is all because of the winter, of the cold mornings and cold winds we are getting. But these guys will recover in spring very quickly. So yeah, harvesting tons of limes. Tons of limes. And also the kumquats that I left on the bush to ripen are ready now. I made a delicious marmalade from the first lot. Now thinking maybe again marmalade or pickled. We will see. Okay. Look, the poor baby banana. And here also one of my favorite fruit we are harvesting right now are the ruby red grapefruits. Oh, they're so yummy. So harvesting those now. And this tree will also be pruned very soon. Here, my mystery fruit tree that I bought as pomelo, and now when it's bearing fruit, it turned out it isn't. I already made a short video about it and asked you guys for help what this might be. Thank you for all your suggestions, but I don't think you were able to identify the tree yet. So yes, still a mystery, but we are harvesting these two and juicing and enjoying very much. Here the Washington navel oranges had only 2 oranges for the very first time this season, which are nearly ready for harvest, but the little babies are here too, and lots of them. Really happy to see that the orange got babies straight away after having this very first fruit. And as you can see, already started to harvest the delicious locusts. So I will also have fresh seeds if you are after locust. Still many small fruit developing. So good to see. I'm also harvesting the sweet potatoes. The foliage doesn't look very happy, but it's winter, so I'm not upset. Also harvesting the delicious kumquat maiwa and eating enjoying them like a sweetie. They're really yummy. And more limes. So our winter is definitely the citrus fruit time. Citrus fruit everywhere. And here the mulberry, even though it lost most of its leaves, which is normal during winter, we're still having a few fruit which we are harvest from time to time and enjoy. This will end very soon because I really have to start pruning this one and prepare for spring. So I also harvest the pigeon pea, also have fresh seeds if you want any. Lots of new flowers. So basically all stages of growth. Flowers, the green ones, which you can enjoy raw, the peas inside, not the pods, and also the dry ones are here too. We have a few trees. So yeah, mostly enjoying the green ones while going through the food forest. And of course harvesting herbs and beautiful and delicious nasturtiums from my herb spiral, also dill and still the rocket lettuce and green onions and so on. Here the dry leaves, which you can see, this is actually the turmeric, which goes dormant during winter, and I actually harvest as required. So this saves me lots of work. I know where the turmeric is, so yeah, just harvesting as needed and using fresh, and this saves me lots of work, like the dehydrating or freezing, cleaning and whatever. So yeah, using the turmeric, always fresh and super most aromatic, delicious. Even though it doesn't look exciting here, we're harvesting passion fruit, which is a bit smaller during winter. This passion fruit actually gives us fruit twice a year, during summer and winter. Now is the second turn of this vine. And so, where are you? And so, even smaller than the summer ones, they are still delicious to eat. And lots of fruit again. Here our beautiful elderberry, the European elderberry, which here in subtropics flowers and fruits all year round, even though winter is more like for the flower season, I would say. And I also harvest lots of it for tea, the flowers, and dehydrate them and keep them in a jar. The European elderberry has the most beautiful scent, and the tea is just delicious. And I have young plants available if you want to grow your own. They will grow all over Australia basically. And we harvest tons of bush lemons too. So definitely citrus fruit season here. They don't look pretty, the bush lemons, but they also have such a beautiful scent, and the juice is delicious, very refreshing. We love it. And we also harvest the guavas, the cherry guavas, and also the Hawaiian guava is giving us some fruit too. This one is nearly ready. Looking good. Not many fruit though, but she will explode in spring for sure. And of course we harvest our delicious cassavas, even though they lost pretty much all leaves now. These are the cassava sticks. They lost all leaves, but of course the root which we are harvesting is intact, and so yeah, also harvesting as needed, using fresh, of course boiling. This is a perfect, if you don't know cassava yet, this is a perfect potato replacement. Very good for chips as well. So, but only the yellow cassava, so be careful when you buy it somewhere else. I am selling sticks which are super easy to grow from a stick, the cassava, but I also have young plants. If you are interested, check my website, you will find more info there. Birds enjoying the day. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments, what are you harvesting now during this month, during July, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.